Good morning, children. Once again I welcome you all to the music class for this week. In this video lesson we are going to learn a very famous song, and the title of the song is This Little Guiding Light of Mine. I am sharing the lyrics with the video in the description box. Please have the lyrics in front of you while you are learning. If you have any doubts in the lyrics, you can go to the description box and clarify your doubts. First I am going to sing the chorus and the first verse of the song, then I am going to break it line by line. So let's get started. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. So it's very short and very simple, children. Now I'm going to break it line by line for you all. First line is, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, very simple. And then the same line will repeat thrice. So it's a very short and a simple song. You all will understand it very easily and you can learn it very easily as well. So the first line is, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Very simple first line, which is going to repeat again. So just learn it for once. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Then again, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Now this time the note of shine, the note of the word shine has changed. You have to just mark that difference, and two lines of the chorus would be over. Okay, so first line is, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Please mark the difference in shine. Please mark the difference in the word shine in the first and the second line. Please mark the only difference. Okay, so first line is, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Second time, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, this is the only difference. Then third time, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Again the third line is the same as the first line. So you just have to mark the difference in the word shine when you sing this line for the second time. Okay, this line, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, is actually repeating thrice, three times. So it's the same when you sing it for the first and the third time. For the first and the third time the line is the same. The only change or the only difference in the line is in the second time when you sing the word shine. So just mark the difference. The first three lines of the chorus are done. Let me sing all those three lines for you one more time. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Once, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Second, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Third, so this was the arrangement of the first three lines. It's the same line which is repeated thrice, which is repeating thrice in the beginning of the song, that is in the chorus of the song. Then let us sing the last line of the chorus and complete the chorus. So once I'm singing it for you all. 1, 2, 3, start. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. First, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Second, this little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Okay, the last line of the chorus is, let it shine all the time, let it shine. Okay, so very simple. One more time I'm singing chorus for you all, then we'll move to the first verse. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. This completes the chorus. Now the first verse. Again, very simple. The same line will repeat itself thrice and it will complete the first verse of the song. This was the chorus for you all. Now the verse. Okay, so don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Okay, so there's this, when I'll be sharing the lyrics, you will find the word POUF written, pouf. So that is not a word to be spelled out. You just have to do the gesture for that or the action for that. And what's the action for that? Don't you? Okay, just notice how I'm doing it. Don't you, my little lighthouse. It's a very slight, a second, just a simple gesture of a second. Okay, you just have to mark that. Don't you? Okay, don't you? Again, one more time. Don't you? Okay, so don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you, my little lighthouse, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. So this completes the chorus and the first verse of the song, This Little Guiding Light of Mine. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Keep learning, learn the lyrics of the song so that it makes you easier. It makes easier for you all to understand the song and learn it while going through the video. See you all in the next video lesson. Take care. God bless you all. Stay musical.